Did you know that over 50% of motorcycle crashes involve rider's error as the primary cause? From poor cornering to panic braking, the smallest mistake can lead to serious consequences, not just for your safety, but for how others perceive your skills on the road. Have you ever finished a ride and thought, did I just mess that up? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we're breaking down 10 critical mistakes that not only make you look like a bad rider, but could also put you in real danger. Let's see how many of these you've unknowingly made and how to fix them before it's too late. Number 1. Not scanning far enough. Imagine someone riding down the highway staring at the car just ahead of them. It doesn't inspire confidence. As McCrider explains, at highway speeds, you cover over 100 feet per second. So if you only look 100 feet ahead, you've got roughly 1 second to react to anything in the road. A rider who only sees a few seconds ahead comes across as inattentive or unlucky, not skilled. The fix is simple, but often ignored. Keep your head and eyes up. Constantly scan well down the road, even 5 or 6 cars ahead, so you spot hazards early. This gives you time to adjust on the bike rather than panic. Riders who practice broad scanning are smoother and safer and look like pros, not amateurs. Number 2. Bad foot position. Body language on a bike matters. One common technical mistake is riding with your heels down on the foot pegs instead of your toes. This might seem trivial, but it reduces control in corners and even causes dragging toe incidents. McCrider recounts a rider who actually ripped his foot off the peg from dragging a toe in a turn. It not only looks sloppy, but can be dangerous. Proper foot placement, toes on pegs, heel down, is an easy fix. It lowers your center of gravity and lets you use your legs to grip the tank. That steady stance makes you look confident and in control, while the wrong stance makes you look unbalanced or reckless. Number 3. Overconfidence. Nobody likes the rider who brags about 20 years of experience and then handles poorly in a twisty. As McCrider bluntly puts it, some riders believe they are better than they are. Being overconfident often shows, taking unnecessary risks, skipping warm-ups, or skipping classes. To onlookers, that rider looks reckless. Remember, topping out at 70 miles per hour in a straight line doesn't mean you can handle a surprise curb or emergency lane change. The cure is humility and training. Advanced riders stay humble by continuing to practice and take classes, and you see it in their smooth control. Saying, "I'll outride you," won't look good when someone watches you lock up the brakes. Instead, be the rider quietly honing skills. That looks professional and keeps you safer. Number 4. Ignoring the look-through in turns. A subtle but telling mistake is entering a curve without actually looking through it. If you ride into a turn while staring at the inside corner, you'll never see hazards at the exit and you'll steer where you look. Crider emphasizes that you should always look to the turn's exit before and during your lean. Riders who fail to do this often crash or come out of the turn poorly, and to others it looks like a complete lack of skill or even spatial awareness. The solution is a basic cornering tip: slow look press roll. In practice, this means glance through the turn before you lean and keep looking where you want the bike to go. This intentional head and eye placement not only improves your line and safety, it makes you look smooth and in control. Number 5. Riding at the edge. Speed and aggression have their place, but on the street there's no prize for riding recklessly. One rider's boastful max speed warp is another motorist's nail-biter. As one expert notes, riding at the limits of your skills or traction is a recipe for trouble. And there's no trophy at the end of a street ride, just the next unexpected hazard. Other road users notice a rider weaving through traffic or braking late, and they see a loose cannon, not a hero. The fix: ride with a buffer. Always keep extra traction and skill in reserve. Doing so means following traffic smoothly, braking progressively, and being predictable. That conservative style actually boosts others' respect. They'll see you as a confident, skilled rider, not a daredevil. Number 6. Stunt riding and aggressive weaving. We've all seen it. Someone at the front of a group suddenly pops a wheelie or speeds through a gap. Flashy stunts or weaving between lanes might look cool in videos, but they scream unsafe to fellow riders and motorists. As a safety guide bluntly advises, don't do stunts, speed, or weave through traffic if you want to maintain a good reputation. Another source warns that riding too fast or aggressively increases the chance of losing control. In other words, a rider who cuts in and out or blares at other riders comes off as reckless and selfish. Instead, ride smoothly within the flow of traffic, use turn signals, and be courteous. That approach not only keeps you alive, it makes you look like the responsible leader of the pack, not the one making everyone nervous. Number 7. Skipping signals and traffic rules. Intermediate riders know better than to ignore traffic laws, yet it still happens. Rolling stops, no turn signals, lane splitting, and no split zones. These habits make any rider look careless. Safety experts remind us that traffic laws aren't suggestions. They're there to keep everyone safe, especially vulnerable bikers. For example, failing to signal a lane change or turn catches other drivers off guard and gives the impression you're arrogant or oblivious. The fix is simple courtesy. Use your blinkers, obey speed limits, and make sure you're visible to others, not hidden in a blind spot. In a group ride, practice standard hand signals. Following the rules shows you respect others, and it makes your riding look smart and professional, not like that of a reckless weekend warrior. Number 8. Tailgating and unsafe following distance. Riding too close behind another vehicle or another rider is both dangerous and uncouth. A rider who sits 2 feet from the bumper looks like they're either challenging the leader or just panicking. In reality, there's never a rush that justifies leaving no room to stop. Injury lawyers and safety guides advise keeping a safe distance so you have time to brake. Failing to do this means if the lead car or bike taps its brakes, you might wreck. It also annoys drivers who see a motorcycle looming in their mirrors. The cure? Leave at least a 2-second gap. Watch the wheel of the vehicle ahead and count 1 1,000 to 1,000. This spacing gives you peace of mind and makes you look calm and in control, not panicked or pushy. Number 9. Riding without proper gear. Even advanced riders sometimes make the socially frowned upon mistake of skimping on gear. Riding shirtless or with an open jacket, or without gloves and boots, suggests you're either careless or showing off toughness. In reality, helmets and gear are lifesavers. Wearing full protective gear shows other riders you're serious about safety and respect the risks. More than that, it makes a statement. You ride smart. Conversely, a rider without a proper helmet or jacket stands out and not in a good way. The fix is straightforward. Gear up every ride. Quality gear doesn't just save your skin, it projects the image of a professional, responsible rider. Your peers will notice and trust you more when they see you're fully protected. Number 10. Skipping practice. Advanced riding is a skill that demands ongoing practice. Yet, many riders drop their guard once they feel comfortable, and that's a mistake. As one safety guide points out, becoming complacent and neglecting regular practice is a sure way to let your reflexes get rusty. It may feel weird to keep drilling emergency stops or cornering, but that dedication pays off. A rider who hasn't practiced in months may hesitate or overreact in a crisis, exactly the opposite of confident riding. By contrast, someone who regularly drills knows their limits and can control the bike instinctively. The fix? Keep training. Whether it's hitting the empty parking lot for drills or taking a refresher course, continuing to hone your skills keeps you sharp. It also shows others you're a disciplined rider, not someone who's coasting on past experience.